The best Purple mattresses combine innovative hyper-elastic polymer grid technology with premium comfort layers to deliver perfect support, pressure relief, and temperature regulation. Known for their durability and unique feel, they adapt to all sleep positions, providing a balanced mix of softness and support for a restful night's sleep. Starting at number 1. Purple Original the Mattress. The Purple Original, the mattress. Queen is a 925 ounce medium firm mattress featuring Purple's patented Gel Flex grid, which adapts instantly to your movements, relieves pressure on shoulders and hips, and helps maintain proper spinal alignment for more restful sleep. Its open-air grid and breathable cover promote temperature neutrality and cooling, preventing heat buildup common with traditional foam beds, while the multi-layer foam base offers stable, supportive comfort that also minimizes motion transfer. Great for couples and restless sleepers. Made in the USA with hypoallergenic non-toxic materials and backed by a 100-night trial and 10-year warranty, it's designed to deliver balanced comfort, breathability, and durability night after night. Number 2. PurpleFlex Queen Mattress. The PurpleFlex Queen Mattress is an 8-type, firm support bed featuring Purple's signature Gel Flex grid technology, which instantly adapts to your body to relieve pressure on hips and shoulders while keeping your spine aligned and comfortable throughout the night. The open-air grid and breathable foam help regulate temperature, drawing heat away from your body for a cooler, more restful sleep compared with traditional memory foam. It's also responsive and breathable, with hypoallergenic materials and a design proudly made in the USA, offering a supportive yet comfortable feel that's ideal for back and stomach sleepers, or anyone seeking a supportive, low-heat mattress option. Number 3. Purple Plus Queen Mattress. The Purple Plus Queen Mattress is an 11's medium feel mattress that builds on Purple's signature Gel Flex R grid technology with an extra layer of premium comfort foam for enhanced pressure relief and cushioning where you need it most. Its breathable open-air grid and soft, stretchable cover help promote airflow and temperature neutrality, keeping you cooler through the night compared with traditional memory foam beds. The responsive materials adapt instantly to your movements for balanced support and motion isolation, while the CertaPure US and Clean Air Gold certified foams and hypoallergenic design contribute to a healthier sleep environment. Proudly made in the USA with a 10-year warranty and a 100-night trial, it's ideal for sleepers seeking a supportive, breathable mattress with superior comfort and alignment. Number 4. Purple Restore Mattress. The Purple Restore Mattress, Soft. Queen is a plush hybrid bed that combines Purple's signature Gel Flexor grid with a responsive coil support system to deliver adaptive pressure relief and full-body comfort tailored to softer sleeping preferences. The open-air Gel Flex grid instantly flexes to support your body and draws excess heat away for a temperature-neutral sleep, while the breathable coils and comfort foams promote airflow and cushioning throughout the night. With a soft feel that gently cradles pressure points and hypoallergenic non-toxic materials made in the USA, it's designed to offer a restful, breathable sleep experience that's cooler and more responsive than traditional memory foam mattresses. Number 5. Helix Plus Elite Mattress. The Helix Midnight Elite is a luxury king-size hybrid mattress designed to deliver exceptional comfort, cooling, and support. Measuring 80 x 76 x 16 and weighing 155 pounds, it features a medium firm feel with a plush Euro top and a 13-layer construction that combines high-density foams and microcoils for superior pressure relief and motion isolation. Its advanced phase change cooling fabric helps regulate sleep temperature from the moment you lie down, ensuring all-night cooling comfort. Engineered with enhanced lumbar support and targeted hip and shoulder contouring, this mattress is ideal for back and stomach sleepers seeking restorative, pain-relieving sleep. Reinforced edges allow full use of the mattress surface, while fiberglass-free, CertaPure US certified foams and GreenGuard Gold certification ensure safe, high-quality materials. Conveniently delivered as a mattress in a box in 2 packages, the Helix Midnight Elite is backed by a 120-night sleep trial and a limited lifetime warranty for complete peace of mind.